Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. I'm here to show you this applet I got from the GeoGebra Classic website. It's a very nice applet you can use to teach your students how to understand the number line system, especially when you are doing addition and subtraction of directed numbers. So you can see the way the applet is being designed. I have my slider here to control the first number. Then I have another slider to control the second number. So you can see the number line. This is 0 positive numbers or positive integers. Then this is the negative integers. Then if you want to see your result of your addition or subtraction, you click on show result. You can see the result is 0, which is 0 plus 0 is 0, and there's no movement. You can see the red arrow from down pointing up, telling you that no movement in the number line, so you can't add anything to any number. So that is 0 plus 0 is 0. Then if you want to do subtraction, you click on switch addition and subtraction. Just click on it, so you switch to subtraction. Then related addition is just to tell you that in case you are adding and you want to, in case you do your subtraction and you want to see the addition related form of the subtraction, you can do it. You understand it as we start solving example how this one works. It's just to show the addition relationship. That's what we mean by show related addition. So this is the summary of how the applet works. So let me demonstrate something for us. Let's say you have a problem you want to show on your number line. Let's say I have something like maybe 3. Let's say you have number 3. You can see the way the arrow moves. So this is positive 3, telling you that from 0 you move 3 direction to your positive integer direction. You see how the arrows move. Okay, then the second number you have to add. Let's put a positive number 2. Let's say positive 5. You see the way it moves. That means 3 plus 5 in your directed number. It means you move 3 steps with the first digit, which is 1, 2, 3. That is a blue slider. Then plus 5 means you move another 5 steps, which is from 3 you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 8. So if you click on show result, you see that your answer is 8. That means you move from 0 down to 8. So that is the addition. So this is simple applet you can use to demonstrate your number line system of addition and subtraction of directed numbers. Alright, let's do something on negative numbers. Let's say this is let me go back to 0 again. Alright, let's say I have negative, let me say negative 7. Okay, let's say negative 6. See the way it moved to negative sign. Let's say I'm adding negative 6 to, let's say, positive 4. What do you think the answer will be? So minus 6 plus 4. So something like this. See, you have moved negative 6 to your left. You are now here. So plus 4 means move positive direction 4 steps, which will be from here you move 1, 2, 3, 4. It will now be 2, 3, 4. So the answer is going to be negative 2. So if you click on show result, see, that means this is what you actually moved, 0 to minus 2. So it's a good applet you can use to teach your students addition and subtraction of directed numbers using the number line system. Okay, let's switch between addition and subtraction. Alright, let me move to 0 before I switch. Alright. Okay, so if I close this, switch. Okay, now we have subtraction. So subtraction is still the same approach. All you just need to do, you move to the number you want. Let's say I'm to subtract negative, let's say negative 4. Subtract it from negative, let me say from negative 3. So you see negative 4, you first of all move negative direction 4 to your left, 1, 2, 3, 4, the blue line. Then you see this is minus negative 3. So this minus and this minus will now multiply each other and becomes positive. So that is why you see the green arrow moves to the right. So if not, negative negative is supposed to move towards the left, but this is negative 4, negative 3. So negative 4 minus negative 3. So this minus, we multiply this minus to become plus. That's why you see it moving towards the right like that. So if you keep moving this, it will keep going to positive direction, and this is actually negative sign. But if I move, let me do minus 4 and plus minus 5. So let me switch back to addition. Let's see. You can see that the answer is towards this side. So this is negative 4 plus negative 5. So both of them are in negative direction, which is minus 4, first step to your left, then minus 5 to your left again, and you can see the result is negative 9. You can see it. But if it's a subtraction, this minus will multiply this minus to turn to plus, which is minus 4 plus 5 is going to move negative 4 to your left, then positive 5 to your right. So the answer is plus 1. So this is all about the applet, a very nice applet you can use in your classroom, especially in our lower primary or primary school, even in junior secondary and JSS1 in our school system here. You can use it to demonstrate it in your class. The children will follow you where, give them related classwork assignment for them to play around with it, just like that. Then this, I told you about show related addition. If I click on result, so the answer of this is plus 1. If you click on show related result, you see what it's doing. Show related result is just telling you that assuming this is positive, that's why I say show related addition. Assuming this is positive, what do you think the answer will be? The answer is going to be minus 9. Just for example, if I switch back to addition, you can see the answer is minus 9. If I go back to negative, you can see it. So just play around with the applet. The slider stops as negative 7 and positive 7. If you want to increase this slider, just right click on the slider, go to settings. You can increase the number of numbers in the slider. Let's say I want to move to 20 for the positive. You can see maximum, then minimum, let's say 20. Enter. Okay. So now I can actually move my green slider now up to at least 20. See, that means I can actually add minus 4 minus 20. You see, it's giving me minus 24. So if I want to see my result, just click on the screen and drag. So you can see your result of the number line. In case you want to do a larger number, just like that. So, or if the numbers is too large, maybe you want to get much number, you can do your zooming. You can zoom out, just zoom here out, zoom again. You can see it, so you can view it well. Just that the numbers will now intersect each other like this. But if you want to get the number line clearly, you can zoom in and zoom out, or zoom out, just like that. Play around with the applet, show addition, move the slider, just like that. Okay, go to negative 2 minus 10 is minus 8. You can see my plus 2 to move 2 steps to the right, negative 10. From here you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the answer is minus 8. So that will result minus 8. Then I click on show related addition. In case I'm not subtracting, I'm adding. So I'm supposed to have 12 as my answer. That means if I switch to addition, it's supposed to be 12. So that is it. So that is all about this applet. If you like this applet, you want to use it in your classroom, you can easily get it the way I just demonstrated it here. You can get it and demonstrate it also in your classroom. Just go to the description of this video. You will see the link where you can get this applet. Just click on the link. You download this applet in your system. Use it anytime you like. Play around with it. Increase the number in the slider by right clicking. Click on setting, maximum, increase it to the number you want. Even if it's 50 you want to go, the minimum, even if it's 50 you want, you get it. Then you move your slider. You can go to whatever number you want. You can see I'm going to 30. See, you can move around, just play around with it. So thank you so much for watching this video, for liking this applet I just did. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, once again, go to the description of the video, click on the link there. You can get this applet and use it anytime you like in your classroom. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.